you. I'm recording the session now. Okay. So we are going to now get into the discussion. We are going into our next session today, that is session 3. It's a digital skills upgrade, and I'll just take you to the first slide. Okay, this is the first slide here. Okay, some more people are coming. So this is the wealth formula. So last time what we were talking basically is how to generate wealth. So wealth has a formula. It's a simple wealth formula. It's the value you can add into the number of people you can help, minus the number of people who can do what you do, minus the cost to serve is well created. So I explained already one point only, value you add. Now just to make a recap or have a recap of last time, it's the value that you add to the people in the world that creates a wealth. And we gave an example of a doorman and a surgeon. A doorman cannot add much value. He just will open the door for you. He will just close the door for you. But a surgeon, a heart surgeon, if there is a heart attack, he's going to add a lot of value to you, probably help you save your life. So who is going to get paid more is not the doorman, but it's going to be the heart surgeon. Similarly, when you create some wealth in the market, it has to create a lot of value for the people. If what you are doing, everybody is doing, like maybe preparing food, then you will not make much money. But if you are doing something which is extraordinary, like for example, even helping people to reach from point A to point B in their personality or their journey, or helping them, upskill themselves or increase their wealth, there is where you will add more value and you will earn a lot of money. So that is what, and today we are going to do, we are going to actually consider how we can help a lot of people and how does that actually increase the wealth of individuals. Okay, I'll go to the next slide now. Okay, this is continuation of the last session that we had. Now here your country impacts your wealth. Okay, so for example, say there are two watches here. They are equally the same, but they are made in two different countries. Okay, the question is, will that change the value of the watch? What would you all say? Anybody in the audience? Say two equal watches, but one is made in one country and another one is made in another country. Will the value, will the price be different? You all can participate.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, Mr. Kiran said yes. Okay, so I'll go to the next slide and I'll tell you what happens. These are absolutely, it's a clone. It's the same watch, but it's made in two different countries. And yeah, so now we have the country made in China and made in Switzerland. So if one watch is made in China and another is made in Switzerland, the one that is made in Switzerland has more value than the one made in China. Why is this? Anybody in the audience?
Quality differs.
Quality differs. Reputation, perception of people also differs. Yes, who is speaking?
Currency differs, sir.
Currency also differs. Very good. What else? Anything else?
Reputation.
Reputation also differs. Now see, China is known to make cheap stuff, whereas Switzerland is known to make very high quality stuff. So if you are in a different country, that will also impact your wealth. This is a very important thing that you need to realize. I need to realize. So if we are in India, we are basically at a disadvantage if we start selling our services to other people in other countries. But in the online sector, we can break these barriers. You see, when you sell a digital product, people are not interested from which country you are. They are just interested to get the software or get the online course, or even any digital product, your book. They're just interested in getting, and it can be available at any country. So if you are doing an online business, you can sell in China, you can sell also in Switzerland. It doesn't make any difference to the person who is selling a digital product, as well as to the one who is buying it online. Okay, but this happens in an offline store. When you go to an offline store, you see two watches, one from China and one from Switzerland, then the value sort of changes. But in an online platform, this doesn't happen, and that's why, you know, I want you all to come to the online platform and transition to the online world. Any questions? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions or any doubts? Nobody? Is everyone clear? You can just write clear on the chat box if everyone is clear. Anybody? Not. Okay. I'm not able. Okay, I got a. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. At least on the chat, if you can do it, will be great. Okay. Now we go here. Okay, now see, there are two individuals. One is a individual who has done his university, he has done his high school, and he's working in a leading global company. He's a manager and he increases the revenue of the company by 62%. Another person, he is also from a top university, but he's I'm getting an echo. Can you unmute, please, some of you? Yeah. Sorry, mute it. Yes. So another individual, he is just a top university. His resume is not very strong. Okay, but he has also, he's working for a leading global company, and he has just increased his company's revenue by 19%. Whose resume is stronger according to you, according to all the statistics that are available now? You can write on the chat, A or B. Say A is the person on the left and B is the person on the right. So you can write in the chat. Yes, correct.
A.
Okay, yes, very good. Yeah, you can also unmute and talk, no problem. Very good. Okay, now see what happens. That same person, if he comes from Afghanistan, and that other person who has a less, less weightage on his resume is an American, automatically we find the scales change. So a person who is from America is considered actually much more valuable than a person who is from Afghanistan. Although a person from Afghanistan here in this example has more weightage as far as his revenue and more results as far as his revenue resume is concerned than the person from America. But this is a reality that is happening in today's world. Okay, the country that you represent also affects your wealth, and this is another important thing that you need to keep in mind as you transition to the online world. Any questions now? You can ask your questions on the chat, or you can unmute and ask me.
Sir,
Yes.
is it applied to all valuable things, all sources? Because even Jamaica has a wonderful in games and other things.
Yes.
Even Sri Lanka has a best cricket team sometimes. So we
Exactly.
cannot compare with the country. According to the personal or to a group, we can compare with them, I think.
Exactly. So now see, the point is now an athlete, we'll take a sports example since you brought it up. An athlete in US and an athlete in Sri Lanka, who is paid more?
I'm
Who's-
talking
No,
about
no.
the individual.
Yeah, individual, fine, but now the question is, we are talking about money. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is paid more now, an athlete from Sri Lanka or an athlete from US?
Okay.
Are you
USA
get?
paid more, sir.
Yes.
USA paid more, much.
Yeah. Why now if that same athlete from USA was staying in Sri Lanka and the Sri Lankan person was staying in United States, what would happen?
Value of the currency is different.
No, no. Now say that that person, that American athlete, was born in Sri Lanka, and the Sri Lankan athlete was born in America. Now, who would be paid more?
Skills may be variation, sir.
An athlete who born in America.
Yes. So
The capability.
yes. So are you getting this? Because I know that lot of you will have lot of questions. That's why I'm asking you all questions directly now. So try to understand now. Even try to understand that just because you come from a certain country, you can make more money. Okay, but this is not going to happen in an online world. Okay, this happens in an offline world. That's why I want you all to come to the online world, because this doesn't happen on the offline world. Okay, you can capitalize. Now if in America something you are selling something, you can charge them as per the American standards, and if you are selling something in Sri Lanka, you can charge them as per the Sri Lankan standard. So that's why even they have two pricings. When I buy software from US, for other countries it's much more expensive, but for India it is much more cheaper. So you need to understand that this is a reality in the world today, and we need to overcome this reality. And how we can overcome, I will be teaching you a lot of techniques in the future. Okay, another thing that you need to understand, which is we are coming to the second point of the wealth formula. Now see, this is the second one. Number of people you can help. Okay, the more the number of people you can help, the more money you will make. Okay, and we have the examples here of these rich people here. Say for example Oprah Winfrey. How many of you all know about her? Oprah Winfrey. She has a television show, and she's a billionaire. Microsoft, Bill Gates, you know. Why did these people become rich? Because they made a product or a service that could impact many people. Even McDonald's, it sells over a billion burgers per day. So if they can sell billion burgers to billion people, automatically they are going to make more money. Okay, so this is what you need to realize. Suppose if you and I, now I am teaching, say for example, and I only teach 4 or 5 people. Okay, will I make a lot of money? You can ask in the chat. I only teach 4 or 5 people. Will I make a lot of money? Yes or no? Okay, majority. Malini is saying no, Layla is saying yes. Very good. But now we find the game changes when you come to the online world. Okay, now on see, now I'm come on the online world. I'm on Zoom. I can teach so many people in this 1 hour. If I go on YouTube, I can clone myself. I can be everywhere, almost everywhere in the world. Okay, and that is the power of the internet. That's why I'm after people, or trying to motivate them to come to the internet. Say you come out with one video. Okay, if you come out with one video, there are thousands of people who can see you. If thousands of people know about you, and in your video you share about your service or your product, thousands of people can buy from you the product or service that you are actually selling. So here is where a big difference comes. That's why this digital world, it has brought many opportunities to many people. So I can be in United States right now on my YouTube channel. I can be in Europe right now. I can be in Hyderabad right now with this YouTube channel. So try to understand how important it is for you to set up these free platforms that are available. WordPress is basically a website. At the moment you do not require to invest in the website. You have to just set up your channels on YouTube or Facebook, and there is where you will get the audience. You will be able, if you are making a video, if you're sharing your information to them, there will be thousands of people who can see your videos, click on your link and you will get the money in your account. What I'm saying, is it making sense to you all? You can type in the chat box yes or no. Okay, Malini is saying yes. Anybody have a yes? Mr. Kiran is saying yes. Anybody else? Yes, Lailu is saying yes. Good. Any questions you have at this point? Mayal is also saying yes. Very good. Mr. Mani, yes. Hitesh, yes. Very good. All are clear. Any questions now? Put it in the chat. Mr. Rakesh Babu also yes. Very good. Very good engagement. I'm very happy. Okay. Keep up the engagement. That's how we learn. Okay. Now, any questions you have? Any questions before we go to the next part? Next part, we are going to go for the trading. We will be doing some trading today. So we'll be going. So any questions now?